So here we need to find out the value of 8 raised to the power of 1/3 plus log of 121 raised to the power of 1/3 with a base of 2. So let's begin. So here we can rewrite this expression as 8 raised to the power of 1/3 multiplied to 8 raised to the power of log of 121 raised to the power of 1/3 with a base of 2. So here we have used the law of indices. That means if we have a raised to the power of b plus c, that's equivalent to a raised to the power of b multiplied to a raised to the power of c. Now, 8 is 2 cubed. So we're 2 cubed raised to the power of 1/3 multiplied to 8 raised to the power of. So here what we can do, we can use a property of logarithm. That means if we have log a raised to the power of b, so that can be also written as b times log of a. So that means we can bring the 1/3 from the power to the front of logarithm. This will give us 8 raised to the power of 1/3 multiplied to log of 121 with a base of 2. Fine. Now we have 2 cubed. So this will be 2 raised to the power of 3 multiplied to 1/3. Here we have used another law of the indices. That means if we have a raised to the power of b whole raised to the power of c, that's simply a raised to the power of b times c. And for the second part, this one, so we have 8 raised to the power of 1/3 whole raised to the power of log of 121 with a base of 2. This means exactly the same thing. So here we have used this property as well. Now this 3 and this 3 cancels out, so we have 2. And 8 raised to the power of 1/3, which I've just worked out right now, this value is also going to be equals to 2. So 2 raised to the power of log of 121 with a base of 2. Now this can be further reduced by using a property of logarithm. A raised to the power of log of b with base a, this is equivalent to b. That means if we have the base of the exponent and the base of the logarithm equal, then the value of this exponential is going to be equals to b. We're going to use the same factor. So here the base of the exponent is 2 and the base of the logarithm is 2 as well. So that means this entire expression will be equivalent to 121. So that means we will have 2 times 121, which is equals to 242. So this is the value of our given expression, which is 242.